Looking for a quick, easy dinner that's packed with protein and flavor? This cauliflower beef casserole is low in carbs, high in satisfaction, and perfect for busy weeknights. Start by finely chopping one onion. And one tomato. This will help them melt right into the beef for the best flavor. In a bowl, crack in 4 eggs. Add salt, pepper, sweet paprika, and dried oregano. Whisk it up, then pour in half a cup of milk and mix again. Set this aside, we'll use it later. Heat up a pan and drop in your ground beef. Let it brown for a couple of minutes and then spread it out to get a nicer sear. Break it up as it cooks. Keep going until the moisture is gone and the beef is browned. Season the beef with salt, black pepper, sweet paprika, and dried oregano, just the same spices I put in the eggs. Next, toss in the chopped onion. Cook it until soft and translucent. That process gets that onion sweeter and gives much more flavor to the dish itself. Then add the tomato and cook until it completely melts into the beef. Transfer your beef mixture into a baking dish. Add in cauliflower. This bulks up the meal without adding many calories. You can use any kind of vegetables you have and want to use. Now pour the egg mixture evenly over the top. Top with mozzarella slices or shredded mozzarella, whatever you have on hand. I have 6 of slices and I'm going to evenly space them. Each slice is about 21 grams, which is about 60 calories per slice and 5 grams of protein. Now bake at 400 Fahrenheit for about 30 minutes or so. You want to make sure the cheese gets bubbly and golden. This casserole is protein-packed, filling, and absolutely delicious. Pair it with rice or salsa, or just enjoy as it is. But that salsa definitely adds a lot of flavor.